Really simple little formula to help your direct mail go much better, much further, and get you better results. Hi, I'm Sam from Firewave, and on today's Whiteboard Wednesday, I want to introduce you to EAST, E-A-S-T, a really simple formula to make sure your direct mail works better. So, first of all, E is envelope. What kind of envelope are you going to send it in? Don't go window envelope, never ever go window envelope. Always go an ordinary envelope that you can't see through. You don't want it to look like a bill. In fact, these days, bills come in A5 or C5 envelopes, and they didn't used to. They used to come in DL envelopes, in which case everybody used A5 instead. But now things have switched around. All bills, nearly all bills, come in A5 envelopes, so make sure that your envelopes look different. So DL's the best, which is a third A4. Make them a colourful envelope. Don't go with your logo colour, don't go with your brand colour, go for a different colour completely. So we've just received one this morning in yellow, we've received one recently in blue. We've tried quite a few different colours. If you've got quite a sombre message, you might want to go sort of grey, navy, something that's a bit more formal. But if you're feeling a bit fun and you've got some photographs in the letter, go yellow, red, orange, blue, green, just make it look a little bit different. So that's the envelope. And then we go, the A is address. And the thing you'll notice about the address is on ours, we always handwrite the address and we never use an addressee. You don't need to use an addressee, just put the name of the house, Yew Tree Cottage, 1 Acacia Lane. Just put that as a starter on the envelope and it will get opened. S stands for stamp. Do not use a frank. Yes, we know it's easier, we know it's quicker, and we know it's cheaper, but it's not as effective. But the good news is, it doesn't matter if it's first or second class, just make sure there's a stamp stuck on. Lastly, timing. So when are you going to send it? Who are you sending it to? When are they most likely to read it? During the midweek, at weekends, make sure that you're sending the right time for the right recipient. That's me, Sam Ashdown from Firewave. If you want to know more about Firewave, go to fire-wave.co.uk/start and find out if you could soon be sending amazing direct mail like this. Bye for now.